Sky brought us a tub of ice cream. Let's see what flavors we have. We have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and mint chocolate chip. Here is the scoop to scoop the ice cream. First, we have the strawberry flavor. Next, we have mint chocolate chip. This is the vanilla flavor. And the chocolate flavor. We also have 2 ice cream cones, a bowl to hold our ice cream, and a spoon. The babies are coming to get ice cream.
Kiddie.
We have more ice cream. And more ice cream cones. 1, 2, 3, 4 more cones. We have blue ice cream, purple ice cream, white ice cream, red ice cream, pink ice cream, blue ice cream, orange ice cream, yellow ice cream, brown ice cream, and green ice cream. Look at all of this yummy ice cream. And we have more ice cream with the same flavors. Now let's make ice cream cones for the babies. Chase is up first. Chase wants this ice cream cone. He wants blue, yellow, and orange ice cream. Let's prepare his ice cream cone. Here we have our cone. Let's look through all of this ice cream to find the ones that Chase wants. We found yellow. And next we found orange. And now we're just looking for the dark blue. There it is. Chase's ice cream is ready. We made him an orange, yellow, and blue ice cream. Here you go, Chase. Next up is Sky. And she looks really excited. Sky wants green, red, and purple ice cream. Let's see if we can find these colors. There goes the red ice cream. That's the purple ice cream. And the green ice cream. She wants green on the bottom, red in the middle, and purple on top. Sky's ice cream is done. Marshall's up next. Marshall wants dark blue, green, and yellow ice cream. Let's look for these colors. Here we have light blue, pink ice cream, brown ice cream, orange ice cream, white ice cream, purple ice cream. We found the dark blue ice cream. And we also found the green ice cream. And the last color we need is the yellow ice cream. Now let's make his ice cream cone. We'll just add the ice cream to the top of the ice cream cone. We have blue, green, and yellow. Okay, Marshall, here's your ice cream. Next we have Catboy. Catboy wants purple, red, and orange ice cream. Let's get him an ice cream cone and look for the colors. We found the red. We also found the purple. There goes the orange. We'll put that one first. And the red in the middle. And the purple color on top. That looks yummy. Here you go, Catboy. It looks like Catboy really enjoyed his ice cream cone.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Kiddie. Kiddie. Hey, Catboy and Gecko, let's go for a swim. Owlette, how are we supposed to do that? We don't have any swim gear. I wish we had some because I would love to go swimming. Did I hear someone make a wish? Hi, Shine. Hi, Shine. Yes, I wished for swim gear so we could all go swimming. Okay, Catboy. One wish coming right up. Not so fast, PJ Masks. Romeo, what are you doing here? I came to ruin the fun. You won't be swimming today. Oh no, Romeo, what did you do to the PJ Masks? I turned the pool into a clinic and I locked away the PJ Masks. In order to free them, you have to match the keys to the correct doors. And I also have a surprise for you, Shine. What did you do to me? I feel funny. Oh, you'll see. Hey everybody, I need your help. We have to match the keys to the correct doors in order to free the PJ Masks. Let's try the first door. This key matches this door. Now let's open it and see if we can find one of the PJ Masks. It's not a PJ Mask. We found a surprise. It's a Paw Patrol Super Pup Smash-'em. We got Sky. Sky is the flying pup member of the Paw Patrol. We have to keep looking so we can rescue the PJ Masks. Next, we need a blue key so we can try the blue door. And here it is. We found Catboy. Thanks so much for finding me. I thought I'd never get out of there. Hey Shine, do I still get my wish? Of course, Catboy. Can I have the swim gear? Okay, one cool swim gear set coming right up. Oh, sorry! Oh no, what happened? I turned Catboy into a baby. Romeo must have messed with my powers. I'm going to have to find a way to fix this. Let's see if we can free the other members of the PJ Masks. Okay, everybody, let's see if we can open up another door. To open up the next door, we'll need to use this key right here. It looks like we found another surprise. It's a PJ Masks blind bag. Oh, look who it is. It's a Romeo toy figure. Next, let's try the red door. We'll need the red key. We found Owlette behind the red door. Thanks everybody for helping to find me. Okay, Owlette, now you get a wish. Awesome! I want swimming gear so I can go swimming with my friends. One wish coming right up. Oh no, it looks like Shine turned Owlette into a necklace. This is horrible. Romeo really screwed up my powers. Let's see if we can find Gecko. We'll try the green key to open up the green door. We found Gecko. Thanks a lot for getting me out of there. Okay, Gecko, make a wish. I wish for swim gear so I can go swimming with Owlette and Catboy. Coming right up. Oh no! Sorry, Gecko. I turned you into a felt puppet. I have to find a way to get my powers back. This is a disaster. I messed up all of your wishes. Hey, Shine, what's going on? Romeo zapped me and messed up my powers, and now I can't grant the PJ Masks any of their wishes. All they wished for was swim gear so they could go swimming. Well, that's okay. I'll fix your powers. Now that my powers are back, let's work together to grant them their wishes. Alright, PJ Masks, our work here is done. Whoa, this is awesome! I love my new swim gear. This swimming pool is great. Look at me, I'm swimming. Here I come. Whoa, this is neat. It's lots of fun. You're right, Owlette. This is so cool. Look at me. Look what I can do. Hey, Gecko, dive in. Come join in on the fun. Whoa, this is so cool. I can swim and float. I'm so happy Shimmer and Shine got us all of this cool swim gear. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, or you can click on the picture to watch another fun video. Thanks for watching.